Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for this Restek tip. Our topic today is the EXP guard column system. This type of guard cartridge and holder is meant for our Force and our Raptor columns, and it's really important that you match the phase of the guard to the phase of the analytical column. So C18 goes with C18, biphenyl goes with biphenyl, and so on. The cartridges used are a 5mm pack bed, and the nice thing about it is they only fit into the holder one way. So if you've never used them before, or if you feel like you're a klutz in the lab, there's really no way to screw it up. The holder itself is auto-adjustable, so it can be used with any type of column. It has a reusable ferrule with a peak side that fits into the port and a metal side that faces the nut to securely grip the tubing for tightening. Now when it comes time to make all these connections, for the line that comes from the auto sampler to the guard column inlet, you want to have a wrench-tight seal up to 20,000 psi. On the column side, you have a couple of options. You can use a hand-tight to about 9,000 psi, or for UHPLC system, you'd want to go with a wrench-tight connection, which is a quarter to a half turn past hand-tight, and that will seal up to 20,000 psi. Now the coolest thing about this EXP holder is that when it comes time to change the guard cartridge, all you have to do is open the holder, remove the old cartridge, insert the new one, and hand tight to connect it back together. That's really all there is, so it makes this routine maintenance very easy. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more tech tips from your friends at Restek.